For Varsity Tutors, I built an autonomous ad engine, a self-improving pipeline that generates, evaluates, and iterates on complete meta ads, both the copy and the AI generated creative. You give it a brief, it writes the ad, scores it across 9 quality dimensions, and fixes its own weaknesses, generates multiple image variants, picks the winner, and delivers a publish-ready ad unit, all autonomously, for about 30 cents per ad, and it's much cheaper for text-only ads. This is built for marketing teams producing Facebook and Instagram ads at scale. Writing one good ad isn't hard. Writing 50 across 9 audience segments, each with different copy, different creative styles, different campaign goals, and knowing which ones are actually good, that's where it breaks down. Manual review doesn't scale, and without a calibrated judge, you're vibes checking your own work. The pipeline has 3 stages. Stage 1, text. A structured brief goes into a Gemini flashlight. It generates headline, primary text, description, and CTA. Then an LLM judge scores the copy across 5 dimensions: clarity, value proposition, call to action, brand voice, and emotional resonance, each with its own rubric and weight. If the aggregate score is below 7.25, the system identifies the weakest dimension and kicks off a targeted fix. It escalates through 3 tiers: focused reprompt, few shot injection, and finally model escalation to Gemini 2.5 Flash. Most ads pass after 1 or 2 cycles. Stage 2, images. Once the text passes, Nano Banana 2 generates multiple image variants across different visual styles: photorealistic, UGC style, hero photo, infographic, and more. Each variant is scored by Gemini 2.5 Flash on our 4 visual dimensions: brand consistency, engagement potential, text-image coherence, and technical quality. The system auto-selects the winning variant. Stage 3, combine. A combined score weights the text at 60% and the visual at 40%. The result is a complete multimodal ad record. Every LLM call is traced to link views via OpenTelemetry, and the whole thing streams to browser over server-sent events. Here's the dashboard deployed on Railway. We're on the Generate tab. I'll pick an audience segment. We have 9 covering everything from athlete families to neurodivergent advocates to burned returners coming back after a bad tutoring experience. Let's go with Suburban Optimizer, upper middle class parent, 3.8 GPA kid, mid 1200s SAT, campaign goal conversion, tone, empathic, offer, free SAT diagnostic. I'll flip the multimodal toggle on and pick UGC as the visual style. Watch the step indicator: generate, evaluate, improve, images, done. The ad copy card appears immediately. Scores fill in one by one. The radar chart builds with each dimension. If the text needs improvement, you'll see the strategy name and cycle number live. Now the image stage kicks in. Variants stream in as they're generated. Each one gets a visual score. The winner gets a green border. Below the ad card, you'll see dual radar charts: text dimensions on the left, visual dimensions on the right, plus the combined score. For production runs, the Batch tab lets you generate up to 54 ads at once. You filter by segments, goals, tones, and visual styles. The live stat cards update after each ad completes: pass rate, average score, costs, per segment breakdowns. The library tab is where everything lands: filter by segment, minimum score, or multimodal only. Each ad shows a thumbnail of the winning image, text, and visual scores, and you could drill into the full detail: all variants, all scores, all rationales. Then you can export to JSON, CSV, or zip files. Here's the tech stack. 4 Gemini models, each chosen for cost to capability fit. Flashlight for text generation and evaluation. Cheapest option proven by calibration. Nano Banana 2 for image generation. Gemini 2.5 Flash for visual evaluation and Tier 3 model escalation. It has meaningfully better vision capabilities. All Python, Fast API, Pydantic, YAML config, Jinga 2 template styled with Tailwind and Daisy UI. Chart.js for the radar charts. All a single process, 0 build step deployed to Railway. The cost breakdown? About 30 cents per multimodal ad with 4 image variants. Image generation is 84% of the cost. Text only ads still run about 4 cents each. A few honest trade-offs: the same model family handles both generation and evaluation, which introduces self-evaluation bias. Documented but not ignored. Visual scoring is nosier than text, about plus or minus 1 point across runs. So the visual threshold is set at 7.0 versus 7.25 for text. The LLM judge picks the best variant. All of this is in the decision log. That's the autonomous ad engine. Generates copy, creates AI images, scores everything, self-improves, and delivers publish-ready meta ads for about 30 cents each. Thanks for watching.